I'ma stand tall for mine, I mean that. Do it for the kids, you know they need me. I'ma go all for mine, believe that. Give me all of mine, we need that. I'ma stand tall for mine, I mean that. Do it for the kids, you know they need me. I'ma go all for mine, believe that. Give me all of mine, we need that.
Hey, welcome back, my YouTube family. You have tuned into Lavi's World. We got a special surprise for you guys today. Today, I'm taking the family on a camping trip vacation in the mother-loving woods. Stay tuned, you. Hey, how you feel about camping today, son?
Good.
How you feel about camping?
I don't know.
You don't know. Scared of lions, tigers, and bears?
No.
How about you? How you feel about camping? Good? Yeah. Let's check the other car. See how these guys feel. Open the door.
What?
It's Lavi's World. How you feel about camping?
Robbie, no.
How you feel about camping?
I never camped before.
You gonna have fun?
Yeah.
How about if we see tigers, lions, and bears?
You're probably getting kicked in his throat.
How you feel about camping?
I like camping. I like camping.
What happens if we run into a bear, though?
Okay, and get punched in the face.
A bear? You gonna punch a bear in the face?
You can punch a bear in the face with your big self. You'll be able to do that.
How you feel about it?
I'm scared. She thinks she's scared.
Right. Stay tuned. We out here.
Too short.
We did. We got a nice little pond behind us. You know what I'm saying? We about to go see where the water at though, cause it's tight hot. You know what I mean?
Trying to get some water. It's the water?
Trying to see where it's at.
No,
Come on, let's go this way.
What's up for the car? They open the stage again. Oh, no, it's
Let's see.
smell like,
I smell it.
smell like boo-boo.
Let's see what's over here.
Huh?
Let's see what's over here.
The what?
See what's over here.
Nigga, oh, yeah.
Oh wow, look. They got a little raft. Oh, this is like the rafting.
They got a little key over it.
Oh, this is where people come with the rafts and they get in
Oh
the
yeah,
water.
and they will flow down.
It's lit.
The life for camping. We gotta find a pool. They have a pool here.
They do?
Yeah.
You
Come on,
trying to
Judy.
scout?
We gotta find a
Oh,
pool.
we got boo-boo trying to scout. What's this? Oh, I know what this is. Look, that.
I know. I see them.
Yeah, they lit.
They lit in the water right now.
And it's flying high, too.
Let's go find a pool.
All right, we got a pool.
My hands smell like lemon.
Bro, I wish it's kind of warm tomorrow.
So we lit. We get the volleyball over there. You got basketball court right there.
Yeah, they got zip line too.
The zip line right there.
I'm going watch. Watch. I want to do it real quick.
We found the pool.
Pool right here. I told you. Yep. This is lit.
And we found the pool.
Man, it's not lit. It's mad people though. That nigga better not hit you with the bike club. We gonna start fighting.
What I tell you?
Alright.
Alright, but come on. We just wanted to see where it was at.
Yeah, let's do that real quick.
Do what? We can go over there. Come on. Let's go see what's hitting for.
Come on. Come on now. Come on and seesaw with me. No seesaw to the road.
I'm not getting on a seesaw, bro. Not again.
I'm trying to find where the zip line is.
I'm gonna get on a swing real quick.
Well, no, we just observing. We gonna come back.
It's good. I don't like walking in this. I'm in the.
Oh yeah, you know something. We're gonna have to get right up here in this court. We're gonna have to get right on this court. Cool. So guys, everyone left me. So this is where we stand. This is our cabin right here. They left it a mess. So I apologize for the look. And this is where we stand. This is our little cabin right here. Nice little spot, you know, for us. There's only 7 of us. But everyone left me and went to the pool. We're gonna meet them in the pool in a little bit. But, you know, as a man, I had to cook for my family. And it's time for me to get on the grill because I'm the cook. You know what I mean? So, let's get cooking. Oh.
Let's get cooking. So first we gotta start the fire. Let's start the fire first. You know, I'm gonna throw some steaks on here, some hot dogs, some hamburgers for the kids. You know, so we can eat good. I guess I could take you out with me on a journey. What should we cook first? Let's see what we got. I think hamburger's gonna go in there first. Let's take the hamburgers first. Stay tuned. Finally got the hot dogs on the grill. Yeah, that's me. That's my work. I'm doing my thing right now. You know what I mean? Say, go ahead, Stab Lavi. Go ahead, Lavi. Go ahead, Dad. Go cook. We gonna go to the pool. All right, go ahead. Y'all can do that. You know, since I'm the cook of the house anyway. Gotta make sure everybody eat, right? For sure.
Walk. Can you please stop running? Okay, I'm coming. Please stop running. Stop running. What? Yeah.
2, 1.
Ready?
Ready? No, it's hot. With me. Come on, now. Come on. 3, 2.
Come on, Zach.
Come on. Do it by myself. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, better make a big splash. Watch this.
He's checking it as a mirror.
She did press up there. Roll it out.
Stand there. Go. Lavi's World, we enjoying this little vacay in the damn woods. Everybody jumping, thumping, swimming. Ain't nobody drowning. Yeah. He wanna go in the water. I haven't been in the water yet. You know, hair just got done. You feel me? Let's get it. Come on. Hey, yo.
Hands down, I think.
You're not gonna be able to. I couldn't see you, bro. I couldn't see you. One, two, three. What are you screaming for?
A spider.
Hold on.
I don't know how to do it.
Round two. On the mark. Get set. Go.
Yeah, load on one. Oh, look, he touched it first. He touched it first. Stay over here. Not over there. My feet is deep. I can't touch the ground. Even if I hold on to something, Bobby, let's do a challenge. You can stay underwater the longest.
Oh, I'm gonna win that one. Hold on. Hey, we gotta see who can stay on the longest. Stay underwater the longest. You know Lavi's World.
Can I see where Bobby is?
On the count of three. You got everybody? You can see everybody? Come on, everybody come a little bit closer. 1, 2, 3.
Go in the water tonight. Go in the water tonight.
She beat me? They beat me?
No.
Oh, hell no. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Khalid look like he's floating. I don't know how y'all be doing that.
Hey, you my. Get out of here, bro. You on my shit.
Technically. Go ahead.
3, 2, 1, go.
Make sure you like, subscribe.
Hit that bell!
Hey, man, hit that bell notification for the next video. You know
Top,
what
bottom, whatever you want to do.
Make sure y'all hit that. Let's go. Who's going to come up first?
Me.
Who's going to come up first? Elena's one. I can hope y'all.
He came up. He came up. No, I did. No, you didn't. Man, no, watch him. No, my fish is like this.
Well, you gonna beat me.
All right, let's do it like.
It's still flowing.
Let me in there. Please. No. Mom, you can put it in. Up for the concrete.
So, are you guys having fun yet?
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
You still not care for stuff right now. You see how you just thought? I can't hear you.
And this one gonna pop a marshmallow in her mouth. What the?
Good compliment.
Tom, you like the fire. So the marshmallows. Huh? Marshmallow time, guys.
You know what this is?
What?
I got scratched in the pool.
You did?
Look.
You go to the hospital?
No.
No, you got scratched by a tiger. Oh, look at the pack. Look at the guy's 6-pack.
I got scratched by a boy. They kept dunking me. Y'all can put it in there?
No, we're waiting for the lady. Go ahead. If you need the thing, go ahead and take it off.
Ready?
Let's get out some fire.
Go ahead. Can you do it?
No, you guys, ring it, turn it around, twist it, twirl it, twirl it, twirl it, twirl it. That's it. Take it off, blow it. Hey, look at that. Come on. Slide it. I need the top. I need the top. Don't touch it. I need it. I can't do both. This is how you make a marshmallow smoothie. S'mores. I said smoothie. Let's get it right. First, it's a lesson for y'all. First, you get the marshmallow nice and toasty to the point where you have to blow it out. Let it sit. You blow it out. You place it on the cracker, right? Then you take the extra cracker. You smash it on down. Look at that. You see that? It's heaven right there, man. It's heaven. Love you as well, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, and do everything you gotta do with that bell notification. You there? Back up, back up. No, you're not doing anything. You're just gonna eat it. That's all you want to do. Move, watch out. Yeah, what? No, that's mine. No, that's hers. It's okay. kid right now. I ain't do this in so long. Maybe I was like 5. In my backyard. In the hood. I was not camping when I did this. Oh, I did. Oh, no. When I was like 8, I did this over the burn my damn house down. Hey, I wanted something nobody wanted to take me camping. Mom, I know you remember. Alright, y'all. Alright, so we gonna
Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Get it? This is Lavi World. We out.
Peace out.
I'ma stand tall for mine, I mean that. Do it for the kids, you know they need me. I'ma go off for mine, believe that. Give me all of mine, we need that. I'ma stand tall for mine, I mean that. Do it for the kids, you know